Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize an iPhone onboarding. So if you want to customize your iPhone onboarding, this is how you could get it done. So the first thing is just open up your settings. Okay, let me read back. Alright, good. So once you open up your settings, this is what you should have. So from there, go to accessibility, then from there tap on touch. Okay, tap on touch. So tap on touch, then tap on assistive touch option at the top. Then you're gonna see a bunch of options under it where you can customize your iPhone onboarding. So first thing is customize top level. So from here you can adjust the rows, you can adjust the numbers of rows you have under the onboarding. You can limit it from 6 to 5 to 4, 3, even 2 or 1. So it depends on you and how you want it. So next thing you want to do is you can also configure the custom action by just single tap, double tap, long press, and 3D touch. You can also set the opacity level. The opacity level means the way of reducing the visibility of the assistive touch. If we want to reduce the visibility, you can see it's almost completely like invincible. So if you want to increase it again, you can increase it to 87. Depends on how you want it. And also you can also make it show on screen keyboard as well. So that is how to configure iPhone onboarding. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.